What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful AMG CLA45s. Now this is a brand new model and it is in Manufaktur Alpine grey and it's a solid color. This is not a white unit. Maybe the camera is giving you a white color feeling, but it's not. It's a Alpine grey and it is a beautiful color. You got to be here to see this in person, guys. So let's take a walk around from the front before we get right in. So as you can see, firstly we got these beautiful lights that we have right here. I love how the lights come back right down here, and when I turn them on later in a while, I'm going to show it to you. I like how there's a partition and then the lights just continue to light up. So that's really nice indeed. I like how they did this. Love the black interior finishing for a car like this. The lights look fantastic, man. Love it. Mercedes-Benz wording right there at the side. Very nice. So for the bottom front bumper, you got this amazing aggressive looking black finish. We got some air flowing through right there. Love the side black finishes that we have popping out and jutting out like that. Even for the front lip that we have right here in this gloss black finish against this Alpine grey, so that's kind of nice. Love the grille in this gunmetal kind of like lines vertically downwards. You got your Mercedes-Benz badging right here, 360 camera right at the front. You do get the AMG CLA45s. Of course, your number plate goes right there. You got some airflow going through right here for air to go in. Beautiful. Now also you do get your Alpha back AMG badging right there as well. So that's kind of nice. Take a look at the front, guys. Amazing appearance for a car like this. Now for the front hood, you do get these bulging two lines that we have right there. It looks absolutely amazing. Let's move on to the wheels that we have right here. Of course, tire size 255/35R19 that we have right there. This is a 5-spoke matte finish or satin finish, kind of a black finish of a wheel. I love it. Love the AMG wording right there as well. And also your drill disc brakes that we have going on at the back, together with your red caliper with the AMG wording right there. So that's really nice as well, with the silver lining that goes across the whole wheel. Beautiful. Now for the side, Turbo 4MATIC Plus. I love how they have the 4MATIC, or even the 4MATIC Plus is even better. So of course when you're taking sharp turns left and right, it distributes the power according to which wheel needs it the most. So that's kind of nice. For the side profile of the car, of course you got your black side mirrors. I love it how cars, they don't follow the body color, especially when the mirror is actually in a different color. So that's really nice. Gloss black side that we have right there for the whole side of the window. That's kind of nice. You got your door handles right here in this chrome finish. For the bottom piece right here, the side skirting, you do get the gloss black finishing also as well. Beautiful. Door handles, let's open up. Take a look right in. You do have your amazing door finish that we have right here. Love the textured finish, together with some red stitching that's going on. You got this bright finish right here with the aluminium finish. Seat adjustments on this side. You got your heated seats. You also get your handles to open up the doors, window adjustments up and down, red stitching, handle to hold to pull to close the door. You got your compartment storage down here. You also get your speakers located right there, and also this should be your Alpha back logo, but unfortunately for the floor you can't really tell, but this is the same badging for the front of the car, so that's really cool that they have it right here. AMG side plates that we have right there, beautiful. AMG carpets, and the interior with the Recaro seats and this micro dynamica kind of a finish. I love it. The red linings, the AMG badging right there, red stitching. The seat just hugs you really well and really tight. Top of that, red seat belts. What's not to like? AMG that we have right there. Dashboard is fantastic with all these stripes. So let's head right in, take a seat and feel what we're feeling. So of course, glove compartment is located down here. Amazing layout, beautiful. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger seat. My favorite part, of course, the seats feel superb, and the seat belt is in red, so hugs you really well for a seat like this. Fantastic. So you can adjust your, I think your driving modes is from this side right here, and also your touch ID to activate for you to log into your own personal screen that you have right there. So this, you can close it, you can open it up, cup holders, wireless charging, Type-C charging, 12-volt socket for you to go and charge other stuff as well. So air vent adjustments on this side, beautiful finish. Love the fact that they have a glass roof as well for this, but of course your car needs to be started in order for this to actually open up. This is just a fabric lining. So let's get right down and open up the back right here and take a look at what we see. Of course, the beautiful doors are frameless, so you don't get a frame, so that's really nice as well. Once you wind down the windows, you're able to just admire how gorgeous the doors look like without the frame. As you can see from here, beautiful. So let's take a look at the rear seats. The space is just nice as well. Let's head right in, and what we have right here is in a beautiful finish of a rear seat. Love how the hard cover is. Amazing layout. Doors right here. This is me sitting comfortably right at the rear. Seat belts are in red, of course. Let's take a look at this side right here. Let me see if I can hold on to it. Yeah, there we go. Seat belts are in red. And let's pull this down. You're able to tell you have got two cup holders happening right here. Beautiful. And you got your air vent adjustments on this side together with your USB-C. Very nice. Check out the view from the center. Beautiful. The fabric lining opens up. You have a glass roof right on top, which you cannot actually open up. It's just a shade. Amazing layout, man, dude. Headroom is fantastic for a car like this. Love it. So let's open up the doors. Let's get right down. And what do we see? First thing is the amazing wheels that we have right here for a car like this. So of course, Continental tires is what they're using. Tire size for the back is 255/35 R19. So drill disc brakes for the back. You got your red caliper with the AMG wording right there. Love the 5-spoke satin finish for a black wheel with the chrome that goes around the whole side. So gorgeous, gorgeous finish for a car like this. And for the back, let's take a look. Beautiful layout. Love the gloss black kind of spoiler. Beautiful touch. Like how it's jotting out like that from the body of the car. You also get your Mercedes-Benz badging right here in this gunmetal finish. You got the AMG wording right here and also the gunmetal finish. CLA45s in also that gunmetal kind of a look. Beautiful. It matches the exhaust pipes as well. I like it. And sensors located all over the place. Your beautiful light design is like this. And let's open up. Oh, sorry. Forgot right there. So number plate goes right here. You got your amazing rear diffuser that is aggressive as you can get. Some opening that goes through. Two exhausts on the left. And you also got two exhausts on the right. And the best part is you got your AMG wording right on the tailpipes. I'm not sure if you can see it, but yep, it's right there. Beautiful. Compartment storage is superb. Of course, you get a boot mat that we have right here. Right underneath, I believe this should be some other wirings and whatnot. That's kind of amazing as well. Compartment storage. The seats you can fold down. Let's check it out. Let's go this side. Let's pull this right down. Take a look. Amazing space that we have. Take a look. Beautiful. So what about this side? Let's pull this down. And what do we see? Beautiful, beautiful storage space. Plenty of storage space that you guys can get for a car like this. Amazing layout. So you got your warning triangle located up here. This thing, you got a pull to close the boot if you wish. Amazing layout. So let's move to the driver's seat. Once again, the roof, as I mentioned, is just a glass. So yes, you can actually lift the whole glass off. Totally forgot about it. This whole piece can come off. Yeah. Let's open this up. Take a look at the interior. Shade. I believe the glass can open up a little bit or maybe not. I gotta check that out. But nevertheless, you have your steering wheel, manually adjustable. Let's push it back right in. Beautiful finish for a steering. Love the controls that you have right here. Driving mode adjustments right here. Suspension setup on this side. Beautiful Alcantara finish on the side. And then for the center here at the bottom, you got the leather and then the AMG wording. And then even the center right here, you have the red stitching underneath together with some leather at the top. Love the flat screen that goes across from here to here. You got your air vent adjustments. You can turn them off if you wish to on this side to this side for all of them. air vent adjustments for temperature, place to keep your stuff, dynamic selection for your driving modes. Open up here, you got your other two USB-C charging sockets. Beautiful indeed. Car looks fantastic. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front driver's seat. Seatbelts are in red. And also, yes, you do get your Burmester sound system. As you can see right there, that's the badging for the Burmester. And sport pedals in chrome. So of course you got your brakes and your accelerator. Light adjustments on this side, handbrake and whatnot is all on this side. So pedal shifts down, you got your up, and of course your gear lever, drive, reverse, P. Cruise control settings on this side. This one is control that screen, this is to control that screen. And of course you do have this particular settings right here for your answering call, rejecting the call, volume up, favorite button and whatnot. So these are the basic stuff which everybody can get used to. But yeah, doors are fantastic as well. Window adjustments, child lock for the back, side mirror adjustments, handle to open up, lock, unlock, seat adjustments, memory seats, of course heated seats, and of course opening up of the boot but not closing, compartment storage down here. Beautiful door. Now let's turn on the front lights to show you guys. As I mentioned, for the front, check this out, dude. For the front, it looks really, really, really gorgeous, man, dude. You see what I mean? Let's take a cover photo for the front, and it is amazing, man, dude. Wow, this is beautiful. Gotta take another one for the front. Not sure which cover photo I want to use, but yeah, cool. Check out the front, man, dude. Amazing, dude. I like how the gap, there's a gap here. You see what I mean? Dude, I like how when you, there's like a double line for light. So beautiful for a light like this, man. Now for the back, you got these lights that popping right down and go back up. Very sexy and very, very nice indeed for the back part. It's beautiful. So let's turn on the hazard lights to show you guys where does the signal actually light up. So let's go right there. And of course you get them at your side mirrors, as you can see right there. Not in full, that's where it goes. So for the lights, the whole piece actually just goes away and then replaces into the turn indicator. So nothing white is left. Beautiful as well from the front. Hop up from the back. Let's take a look and see for this part, you have that lighted up. Beautiful finish. Whew. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Mercedes cars or AMG cars, do head down to Bangsar. As you can see, the showroom is super huge. Got your amazing cars located right at the back, right here, and plenty more hiding all over there, including the second floor that is located up there, which we will be visiting some other day. So yeah, check out the description below and get in touch with the salesperson. And yeah, hope you get your Mercedes cars soon. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.